Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Well, it is that time of year again where all of the leaves are changing and falling, and as you can see behind me, I have probably for the next 4 to 6 weeks, we'll be out here every weekend blowing leaves off of the lawn, getting them cleaned up. Some of them will get mulched, others will get bagged. Throughout that whole process, I will be using my backpack leaf blower. Now, for the last probably 5 or 7 years, I've been using these old hearing protection earmuffs along with my earbuds. So what I would do is I would put in the earbuds and then put my old hearing protection over top of that. But I decided this year I'm going to try something different. I got myself these, a set of Bluetooth hearing protection from Prohear. These are the Prohear 37s, and I'm going to test them out today. I'll insert here the unboxing and I'll go through some of the features, and then I'll get out here and blow some leaves using these new headphones, and at the end I'll give my thoughts and we'll wrap the video up. Let's get into it. It comes with a cable to charge it. It is a USB-C charger as well as a 3.5mm jack for an aux cord. So this thing will continue to work even after the battery dies. You can use the aux cord to keep your music playing, which is pretty cool. So down here is the power charging port. This is where the USB-C cable gets plugged in to power it up. And then just to the right of it is the 3.5mm jack. If the Bluetooth battery dies, you can keep playing your music by plugging it in right here. So on the right hand side, you've got this set of 4 buttons. The bottom one down here is the power button. It turns it on and off. You've got this left arrow and right arrow. This is the volume down and volume up buttons. And then you also have this function button here. So by pressing it and holding it, it will turn it on. You get the little blue light. When I set this up, it was already in pairing mode, and so I just had to turn Bluetooth on my phone and it connected right away. I just had to look for EM37 on my phone and then select it, and it paired up right away. If you have trouble with it, you can long press this mode button for 10 seconds and it will then try to repair. So if you have trouble, that's what you do. So if you single press the function button, it will pause, and if you single press it again, it will play. If you double click the function button, it will go forward by 1 song. If you triple click it, it will go back a song. So pretty handy being able to control all these functions without having to, get your phone out of your pocket to do it from that. All right, we got a side-by-side comparison here. These are the old and these are the new. Clearly they're much more substantial, and these also have a built-in function of having a speaker, which these ones did not. This has a nice padded cushion, so it makes it comfortable for your head, as well as these nice cushioned padding around your ears. Going to be so much nicer than this old hard plastic that really didn't do any cushioning and just was very old and crappy. Can't wait to try the new ones. All right, I just got finished blowing the leaves off my lawn. I guess it was about an hour, plus or minus. They worked great. The battery started at full charge, and I'll show you now, it's still got 90% left after an hour. So these things will probably run a long time. Yeah, so you can see here I got 56% left on my phone, and I've got 90% left on the Bluetooth headset. Pretty awesome. So let me give you my final thoughts really quick on these hearing protection with built-in speakers. First things first, there's no comparison to the other set. The other set was so old and just broken down and not even very comfortable anymore. These blow that out of the water. The ear cushions are very soft, really nice, had a very good seal up against my ear, as well as the part that goes on your head, really soft. I would just wear them for an hour. There's no issue at all. On my other head, on the other pair that I used to wear, would start to get kind of fatigued after a while because there was basically no protection or padding at all. One of the things that I really like about this is the way that I used to do it with just my earbuds being covered. If I got to a song that I just didn't want to hear, or maybe I heard it too many times and I wanted to skip ahead, I'd actually have to pull my phone out of my pocket and then manually fast forward to the next song. With these, I could just double click on that button and it would fast forward into the next song, which was really nice. I wouldn't have to pull my phone out of my pocket to do it. I really liked that. That feature was great. It blocks a lot of sound. The quality of the audio was actually really good. These are obviously not headphones, something that you're looking for, like DJ quality headphones. They're mainly set for blocking out noise with a little bit of speaker built in, and they are perfect for that. Overall, really happy with this. Pick yourself up a set if you need to listen to some music while you're trying to drown out things, you know, doing yard work or whatever. Anyway, I think you'll be really happy with these. Thanks for watching. See you next time.